Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Pinklart Jewelry Storage Bags is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for anyone who cherishes their jewelry collection, offering a sophisticated and practical solution to keep your precious adornments organized, protected, and easily accessible, ensuring that your favorite pieces are always ready to complement your style without the risk of tangles, scratches, or loss, making it an indispensable item for both everyday use and travel. Number 5. BAGSMART Hanging Jewelry Organizer Large Pink. This double-sided organizer offers abundant space for all your jewelry. With 32 transparent pockets for rings, earrings, and bracelets, and room for 42 necklaces, everything finds its place. Tired of tangled necklaces? Our unique wave-shaped metal hooks securely hold up to 42 necklaces, allowing for quick and easy access without any fuss. Its thoughtfully designed pockets accommodate jewelry of all sizes, from tiny studs to bulky bracelets. Transparent PVC grids let you see everything at a glance. Crafted from durable polyester and PVC with strong metal hooks, this organizer is built to last. The 360-degree rotating hanger allows for easy access and placement on closets, doors, or walls, saving valuable space. This versatile storage solution isn't limited to just jewelry. It's also perfect for hair accessories, nail polish, makeup, toiletries, crafts, and cables, making it a truly multifunctional bag. Planning a trip? It conveniently folds into a small pouch, making it an ideal companion for travel while keeping your essentials organized on the go. What we like? This organizer offers ample space with dedicated necklace hooks. If you have a large collection of necklaces and frequently switch them out, this is the perfect solution for keeping everything untangled and easily accessible. Its rotating design makes it ideal for anyone who values convenience and organization in their closet. What people say. The bags are made of soft material that protects jewelry from scratches. Each bag has a drawstring closure, making it easy to open and close. The bags are lightweight and compact, perfect for travel. Number 4. Valchoose Premium 600-Count Zip Poly Bags. Get more for your money with 600-count bags in 3 assorted sizes. Perfect for organizing small items and keeping your space tidy, these bags are a true lifesaver for easy storage. Open and close these bags in just 1 second with a simple sliding motion. The strong zip seal ensures your items are securely stored, making organization a breeze. These small plastic bags are perfect for travel and can be reused multiple times. Easily organize small items like jewelry, preventing loss and making them simple to find. These handy bags come in a great variety of sizes with a strong, tight seal. They are durable, not flimsy, and 100% food-grade safe, odorless, and non-toxic. Made from LDPE, these bags are 100% food-grade safe, non-toxic, and odorless. They are also freezer-safe and resistant to bursting, ensuring your contents stay protected. Never struggle to find small items again. These bags are ideal for jewelry, beads, small candies, and even small business packaging, solving all your storage problems. What we like? Get a massive quantity of bags in 3 versatile sizes, perfect for various small items. If you're looking for a cost-effective and reusable solution for organizing small treasures like beads, coins, or even snacks for travel, these are an excellent choice. Their strong zip seal ensures everything stays put. What people say? The bags are made of a soft velvet material that protects jewelry from scratches. Each bag has a small pocket inside for rings or earrings, keeping them organized. The drawstring closure is secure and easy to use, preventing items from falling out. Number 3. 800 PCS Small Plastic Bags. You will receive 800 pieces of resealable plastic bags. This quantity is sufficient to meet your daily needs and can be shared with others. These clear mini bags come in 6 different sizes to accommodate various items. From 4 by 6 cm to 10 by 15 cm, find the perfect fit for your needs. Made from reliable, non-toxic, and odorless plastic, each bag is 2 mm thick. They provide good protection and display for your stored items. These small bags are suitable for many places. Use them in your makeup box, to hold dried fruit, or to keep snacks fresh when you're on the go. They are perfect for packing various items like coffee beans, candy, nuts, snacks, and more. They are a nice assistant for catering to your storage demands. Each bag features a resealable zipper, ensuring your items stay secure and fresh. Easily open and close them as needed. What we like. This pack provides an even larger quantity of bags with more size options for ultimate flexibility. If you need to store a wide range of tiny items, from hardware to craft supplies, and want reliable protection, this is the set for you. It's perfect for crafters and DIY enthusiasts who need to keep small parts sorted. What people say. These bags are perfect for organizing my jewelry collection, keeping everything neat and tangle-free. The material is soft and durable, protecting my delicate pieces from scratches. Each bag has a secure closure, ensuring my jewelry stays put during travel. Number 2. Outus 100 pieces clear PVC jewelry bags. Get a generous pack of 100 bags in 5 different sizes, perfect for all your storage needs. From tiny rings to larger earrings, we have the right fit for every item. Crafted from thick, high-quality PVC, these bags are built to last. They are waterproof, tear-resistant, and designed for long-term use, ensuring your items stay protected. The transparent design allows you to easily see what's inside each bag. Quickly find the item you need without having to open and search through them all. These bags are lightweight and easy to carry, making them ideal for travel. Plus, they are reusable, helping to keep your jewelry safe from scratches and tarnishing. Beyond jewelry like rings and earrings, these versatile bags are great for organizing small treasures. Store coins, beads, buttons, or craft supplies with ease. Each bag features a reliable zipper lock to keep your contents secure. This ensures everything stays put and protected from the elements. What we like. These bags offer a good balance of quantity and size variety with a focus on durability. If you're packaging jewelry for sale or personal use and want to prevent tarnishing and scratching, these are a great option. Their transparent design and sturdy build make them ideal for showcasing and protecting delicate items. What people say. The bags are made of a soft velvet material that protects jewelry from scratches. Each bag has a drawstring closure, making it easy to open and close. The bags come in various sizes, which is convenient for storing different types of jewelry. Number 1. Self-seal plastic bag zipper lock clear PVC jewelry packing storage bag. Introducing our high-quality storage bags, designed for ultimate protection. Made from strong PVC, they are built to last and resist damage. Despite their blue tint, these bags offer exceptional clarity. You can easily see the contents inside without opening them. Featuring a convenient zipper lock, these bags are incredibly easy to open and close. This ensures a secure seal every time. Keep your items safe from moisture, oxygen, and bacteria. They are perfect for long-term preservation, maintaining the quality of your products. These pouches are perfectly sized for storing jewelry, small crafts, and gifts. Keep your precious items organized and protected. Each pack contains 100 pieces, with an outer size of 7 by 11 centimeters. They offer ample space for your small valuables. What we like. This option provides a specific size with a strong emphasis on antioxidant properties. If you are storing valuable jewelry like jade or pearls and are concerned about long-term preservation and preventing damage from oxygen, this is the bag for you. Its robust PVC material ensures your precious items remain protected. What people say. The bags are made of a soft velvet material that protects jewelry from scratches. Each bag has a small pocket inside for rings or earrings, keeping them organized. The drawstring closure is secure and easy to use, preventing items from falling out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.